Alright guys, so you saw the thumbnail. These memes can quite easily make you $1 million. I'm almost certain of it, because if you take a look at each of these memes, which I'm going to mention on this video, that we can see a 10,000x, which means potentially we can easily see $1 million. That's if we get a 10,000x return on these projects. If you find that interesting guys, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, so let's roll the intro. Alright guys, kicking off the show, we're going to go straight into Wojak. Wojak market cap is currently $171,000. To turn your $100 into 1 million, we would need to see the market cap at $1.7 billion market cap. This is highly doable. It's quite modest too, because most coins would in fact, or should we say most decent meme coins will in fact reach in billions. Even if we just manage to scrape just over $1 billion, potentially you can turn your $100 into 1 million. And it's not just Wojak. We will get into the rest of the video shortly, but if you're looking for entry, let's go into the 4 hourly charts just to give you a bit more clarity in terms of when to enter. Firstly guys, it looks like that now would be a pretty decent time. Reason why, because we broke out certain areas from over here. If we do see a pullback, this bit here could be quite easy entry to get into. Otherwise, I would quite possibly wait until we come back down to around about this sort of region. Otherwise, I could be waiting for a pullback around about here for a decent entry. But to be fair guys, it doesn't really matter at all. All we're doing now is just measuring everything via the market cap. If we're not buying right from the top, again, it doesn't really matter at all guys, because you're holding it for the long haul. So always keep an eye on this area here. So this bit here doesn't really matter unless if you look for precise entry. And if you're looking for precise entry, you could either be entering now or around about where this box is right now. Because if we zoom out from the charts, let's blow up the charts a little bit. Yeah, so this area here could be a good re-entry. If you've been holding throughout this whole entire time and you took some profits, congratulations. If you look to re-enter, this area here would be just the right spot on area to enter. So I'll say around about here is actually a decent entry, or if you just don't care guys, just enter anywhere between here, because ultimately you don't really care of the short-term price action, you're just waiting for the long-term price action. So that is for Wojak. I do believe we can see a 10,000x. So if you invest $100, you can turn that into $1 million. Maybe even slightly less, but who cares? You will make your gains regardless. Let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, so the next one is going to be Baby Brett. Baby Brett has been doing pretty well actually for the past few days. This is the 4 hourly chart. If you just quickly go to widescreen mode, we are in fact holding above this level, around about this level up here, which is a lot higher around about down there. We are seeing a lot more volume coming in for Baby Brett, which means if we see a huge move coming in for this one, especially during the bull season, the current market cap is at $438,000. Anything that's under 2-3 million in terms of market cap guys, that is the most volatile, perhaps the most biohazard, not user-friendly type of memes that could go to zero. But if we do see a crazy run up, then yes, we could be expecting quite a decent move to the upside. But yeah, that also depends on, that really depends on multiple factors. But at the end of the day guys, I reckon with Baby Brett, because it's such low market cap, we should be able to expect at least around about 1000x for Baby Brett. Even if we see a 10,000x guys, the market cap would only need to get to $4.3 billion market cap. That is insane. I reckon with Baby Brett, it should be able to keep up and maybe even compete head to head with Brett itself. And Brett is currently over $1.5 billion market cap. But you let me know in the comments guys whether you reckon Baby Brett would be able to compete against the big brother Brett, and if so, the market cap would easily get up to 1.5 billion, which would be close to 10,000x. End of the day guys, if you just invest $100 for this on Baby Brett, then I would not be surprised if we do see your $100 well above $500,000 or even some more. Ultimately, my price target for this one would be at a market cap of around about 4.3 or $4.4 billion market cap. Now let's move on to the next one, which is going to be Chloe. Guys, the market cap for Chloe is in fact smaller than Baby Bread. It's at $337,000 for this one. We can 3, 2, 1 for side eyeing Chloe. We can easily see this one go to $3.3 billion market cap. There are still huge, I won't say huge hype, but I'll say it's still hugely popular within the meme space, and I can see this one go up to around about $3.3 billion market cap. Even if we don't and we hit even just 1 billion or slightly less, it doesn't matter, guys, because if you put in $100, you can quite easily make some serious gains. I reckon if you put in $100, you can still expect around about 500,000, maybe a little bit more. If we do see a 10,000x from here, guys, wow, that would be exactly $1 million that you can turn your $100 into 1 million or $500,000. You let me know in the comments. Also, are you super bullish on side eyeing Chloe? Because at the end of the day, guys, we caught this one around about down here when it was only at around about $156,000. We in fact peaked around about 1 million. We dropped back down, obviously because the rest of the market was heading its way down. And now it looks like it could be a nice retest back to the highs of 1 million and beyond. So let me know, guys, whether you're super bullish on side eyeing Chloe. Why don't we head over to TED? Because TED is looking pretty decent for the past few days. It's been outperforming quite a lot of these memes. Current market cap is at 300,000. Again, for this one, if we see a 10x, that's 3 million. If we see a 100x, that's 30 million. If we see a 1000x, that is 300 million. If we then see a 10,000x, that's at $3 billion market cap. Wow, guys, this is insane. I do like this project. I reckon we can quite easily see these memes as well as TED to go much higher than a $3 billion market cap. If you're looking to flip your Solanas for short-term gains, even that's pretty good to use on Teddy, because Teddy's volatility is quite healthy. So whenever I see a healthy volatility within any meme coins, then I'm super bullish on that particular project. If I'm looking at it from a long-term perspective, I will always do my analysis on the project, and I reckon with Teddy, it's got a strong meme appeal, and I reckon we should be able to see that $3 billion market cap for TED. Either way, guys, this is just my prediction. None of this is financial advice. Please do your own research. But anyway, hope you do enjoy watching my videos. And if you haven't done so already, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification to be updated for all my latest content and videos. If you'd like to head over towards my YouTube channel, you may subscribe right up here. Hit the bell notification, scroll down, check out my last few videos, and I will see you all in the next one.